fall is a little more than I expected. In so deep I can barely see. Yeah, around me feels so heavy but depleted. But I find this.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate you guys. And I know it's been about 2 months since I have been on YouTube, okay? I don't have any tea to spill and I don't have any life updates for you guys. I have been just really busy, okay? Because sometimes, you know, YouTube just needs to step aside so I can just get on with other things. In any case, in today's video, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just being silly. Thank you for watching and thank you for coming back. My name is Odette if you are new, and thank you. Please turn on your notifications so you will be notified every time I upload a video. So as you can see behind me, this is my Pax wardrobe system. You guys are going to be seeing a video coming up shortly. The design did not work out as planned. We are going to talk about this on Wednesday. I'm going to do another video for you guys. I'm going to explain why. But I really love the way this has turned out right now, as you can see. As you can see, I do have some space right here. So IKEA owes me a shelf. And they also owe me 2 shelves for my 50 centimeters as well. But for now, this turned out so beautiful. The room looks amazing. It's not a very big space and it's not a small space either, but I didn't want to occupy the whole space with this Pax wardrobe system. I had the measurements in mind that I wanted and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So here it is. This is a 50 centimeters over on this side. And again, as you can see, I am missing a couple of shelves. And I'm also missing one shelf for my 100 centimeters as well. And I do have a bunch of things to return, but I'm also going to explain all of that in Wednesday's videos as well. So today's video is very short. This is the big reveal of my incomplete Pax system, just missing 3 shelves and that's it. And one of the good things about the IKEA Pax system, you can design this however you want. You can change it up however you want. You can put flowers and mirrors. You can do whatever you want depending on your style. But I am just going to say, if you are somebody who is a hoarder, who is a collector, who is messy, who just don't live right, you know, things are all over the place, this system is not for you. If you want to level up your life a little bit and change around the way you live and how you see yourself, because I think your home is definitely a representative of who you are as an individual, and let that show in the space that you live. I know that's deep, isn't it? And I wouldn't be able to repeat that because I wouldn't even remember. But anyways, this is what this system looks like, guys. And I do hope you enjoyed today's video. It is a very short video. Like I said, it's just a big reveal today. The space is beautiful. The space is amazing. And stay tuned on Wednesday for Wednesday's video. And I'm going to explain a lot more for you guys, like specifications and some tips and all of that. So lovely to see all of you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And I do hope you enjoyed this little video today. I do have lots of videos coming up. And I thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys on Wednesday. Toodles.